ignition source can be alternative source of heating, can be electrical, can be a number of things. Once the ignition source is introduced to the flammable or combustible object, you're going to see that it only takes less than a minute. And what happens is, in less than a minute, the smoke and heat and fire are going to go upward, and it's going to bank to the ceiling. We do have a smoke detector inside of the structure, and then the smoke is going to bank down. Lieutenant?
Tell us what we're seeing. Tell us what we're seeing.
Right now, due to the moisture and the heavy air, well, we got fire at the base of the tree, and as you can see, you can hear it crackling. As a matter of fact, that's one of the ways that firefighters are able to locate a fire. You hear this sound. As you can see, we're only 32 seconds into it, and the bottom source of the fire is already extended to the bottom packages at the bottom of the tree, and the bottom skirt, which is not flammable. But now at 42 seconds, it's already generating enough smoke. The smoke is starting to go. At 48 seconds, the smoke detector is already sounding. The fire is extending to the side wall, and we're going to start getting rollover at the ceiling, where the smoke and flames are going to start rolling out into the portion of the room. Right now, as you can see, the lights have gone out, which means we've had the electrical outlet tripped, which means not only do we have a Christmas tree fire, but now we could extend it to an electrical source of fire. 1 minute and 16 seconds, as you can see on the clock, the fire is already extended to the ceiling, and now we don't have a Christmas tree fire, now we have a structure fire, which is extended to the room of the house, and now hopefully the occupants have got out of the house and alerted the fire department, and the fire department will be responding. 1 minute and 40 seconds, and the tree is just about consumed. Right now, that interior temperature at that ceiling level is approximately 1,000 degrees. Smoke detector has failed, it's melted. And now this is just a Christmas tree in a room. What we have not been able to show you is if we had combustible furniture in the room, or the floor coverings or wall coverings. With what you just saw, if there was an occupant in this room, life would not be able to be sustained in that room or structure with those type of smoke generated, and also the temperatures that were generated from this fire. Okay, that will do it. Are there any questions relative to this?
I'm not sure if you mentioned it, or maybe it's something you mentioned, but about the care of the tree itself, like moisture as opposed to having it dry out. Is there anything you can say about that?
That's an excellent question. We didn't cover daily the water, the tree should be watered daily. If you do see the needles that are falling excessively, it would be time to remove that tree from the house.